So hi, hello everyone, welcome in our YouTube channel, that is all in one corner. So friends, in today's video we will discuss about the welcome kit coming from the LnT. So those students are selected for the GET 2022 rule. Their joining date is 10 October 2022 and location is Mumbai. So one of my friend got these mail on the 12th of September, that is in continuation to a GET, that her PMC, that is employment medical check, was on the 14th of September. So by according to the medical partner everybody, the whole process is done. Okay, so the nearby in a nearby location your medical will be done. So after medical today, that means on the 17th of September, she got this mail, that is LnT welcome kits. So LnT welcome kits mail are releasing. Okay, so as you can see, these greetings from the Larsen and Toubro Limited. We are gearing up for your joining at LnT and are sure you too will be planning for the same. That means joining is on the 10th of October. Okay, so welcome kits are being prepared for her, and in which a t-shirt will be included also. So in the welcome kit there is t-shirt also included, and her branch is electrical, so maybe there is no laptop, but for if you are a computer science engineering graduate, then maybe there will be laptop. Okay, so in this welcome kits there will be t-shirt included, and please, so you have to select your appropriate size according to you through the link mentioned here. So in the mail there is a link mentioned, and you have to select your appropriate size according to your size. Okay, so the size chart is also included in the form, and the sizes mentioned are gender neutral. Okay, so to ensure that the form is filled by Sunday 18th of September 2022, as the order will be placed on the Monday itself. So the deadline for the choosing your appropriate size for your t-shirts is up to 18th of September. That means you have one day to choose your size. Okay, because the order will be placed on Monday itself. So in the link you can choose. Okay, so those candidates got this welcome kit mail. You can select your appropriate sites up to tomorrow. Okay, so still there are many candidates which are waiting for their results. So friends, move on with other exam also, because many ICs have declared their results also, but some of the candidates are also having hope. So stay tuned to the channel, so I can post if I get to know any update related to results. I will post. And if you found this video helpful and informative, please share among your friends also, and stay tuned this channel. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.